Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I saw something la umphathi welokhunjani weSikhukhune United ekhuluma kahle kakhulu nge-striker se-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu uMorris. Athi uMorris i-striker esegudi kakhulu, just nje udinga say i-supply e-right ne-team e-right. So uthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs uMorris, wathi ku-Kaizer Chiefs uMorris uzokwenza kahle kakhulu. Meyibuza ukuthi why uMorris bengadlala amagame amaningi laphana kuSikhukhune United, wathi bekune-striker ezenza kahle kakhulu. Wakhuluma ngoNcube, wakhuluma who's this other guy, Ohizu, yes, wakhuluma ngabo babayithi ukuthi hayi bebenza kahle kakhulu, that is why angatholanga i-game time e-right, but uyasho ukuthi lesi striker esigudi kakhulu. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzokwenza ey'bukwayo. We still waiting for him ukuthi enze ey'bukwayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke i-game time engayitholi, to be fair, ayikho into naye mhlampe azoyideliver ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke we've seen him, we've seen uMorris ukuthi unjani. Una everything bafowethu ukuthi abe one of the best strikers eligini, u-powerful, u-strong, ukwazi ukushaya ngey'nyawo zowu-two, right no-left, kusho i-former boss yakhe ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani. But yeah, there's just something off, mhlampe i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. And guess what, ku-Kaizer Chiefs uselelwe uhamba 2027, so i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ilokhu ithi ifuna ukumhambisa, ufuna ukumhambisa, usayine 2 years and a half bafowethu. So I mean akukho la yakhona, unless if i-Kaizer Chiefs izosekela imali, imnike imali ukuthi akwazi ukuhamba laphana uMorris ukuthi ayojoyina i-team of his choice, any team of his choice uzokwazi ukuyijoyina. But i-settlement siyazi ukuthi uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs une-experience ya-over 10 years ku-Betway Premiership, kusho ukuthi une-big contract. He was seen as umuntu ozokwazi ukuqeda ama-goal scoring problems laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what, umuntu ofikile uSilva uyakwazi ukuwasha amagoli bafowethu. So vele i-Kaizer Chiefs uma ifuna ukulwela iligi, ifuna ukulwela nezinye izinto, kumele bakwazi ukuwasha amagoli because of ama-opportunities bayawa-create, just i-conversion rate nje inkinga kuphela, kumele balungise lapho ukuthi ngempela bakwazi ukukhompyutha for izinto. But-ke akubonakala ngathi-ke manje ya bazokwazi ngempela ukulwa, bazokwazi ukukhompyutha. uCheslett I wanna talk about Cheslett. Ngikhuluma ngaye almost every day, but I will talk about him, uCheslett. uCheslett wayefuna i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, ayikho enye i-team bekafuna ukuyidlalela, and u-hungry, u-ready uthi uyafuna ukuyilwela i-Kaizer Chiefs because of i-team kudala aphupha ukuthi ayidlalele, ukuthi abuye la e-South Africa. Obviously ama-opportunities wakhe asase-limited, but we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bazomnika nini opportunity. But-ke iyeza bafowethu, I think ama-fans everyday, ngibona everyday once I mention uCheslett bathi kumele athole opportunity. I think ama-coaches azoba under pressure serious ukuthi bamnike uCheslett i-opportunity. Omunye umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu wenza kahle kakhulu uPeterson. Mina it's just sad to see lento lena, even namhlanje ngibone laphana ku-kick off bakhuluma ngokuthi because at the moment uPeterson is the best goalkeeper ku-Betway Premiership in terms of ama-assist nama-saves wakhe bafowethu, uyaseva lo muntu lo akadlali, is the best goalkeeper in South Africa, unama-clean sheets amaningi compared to abanye o-goalkeeper. But-ke kuBafana Bafana is not even considered. I-kick-off may-report or isokha laduma ithi uClose ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana, and when I saw that thing I was like no, akekho uClose ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana, akana chance uPeterson ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana. Ukubeke kwacaca uHugo Broos ukuthi ngeke aselecte abanye abo-goalkeeper, nabo-goalkeeper aba-right, so uselect abo-goalkeeper abawu-5. Kusho ukuthi-ke if kungalimala uGoss or kungalimala uTshepo Cheney or kungaba ney'nkinga, uzothatha labo goalkeeper laba abachuzile, which is oJohnson. Can't remember lo munye wesi-5 ukuthi unumber bani, but ubani igama lakhe, but ngizomkhumbula. Kusho ukuthi Ali at the moment, I mean the best goalkeeper ku-South African football akekho kuBafana Bafana, akana chance ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana. Obviously-ke that's not a good thing, but-ke sothini at the end of the day bafowethu, because Hugo Broos decide. I want to talk about legendary South African footballer bafowethu Steve Lekoliya. I don't know why abantu bangalithandi iqiniso ukuthi babe honest, babe fair. uSteve Lekoliya is still riding on the fact that udumile, bayamprotect abantu, uthi yena ngeke asuke laphana elokishini, uthi uyi-celebrity but-ke liphila nje impilo yaselokishini. I wanna quote him kahle, ngimuzwe ukuthi uthini. Bambuzile ukuthi mengawini i-lotto or i-jackpot angahlala kiphi indawo, uthi yena angahlala laphana elokishini ekasi lakhe eSebokeng. Uthi during isikhathi sakhe laphana as a-footballer behlala e-Fourways, but-ke uthi behlezi ebuya laphana elokishini. Uthi uyi-celebrity but-ke akaphili njenge-celebrity. Yes, akaphili njenge-celebrity because of imali akanayo, but-ke Even bekunama-report amaningi ukuthi akanalutho, but-ke is still riding high on i-celebrity status or i-fame yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates. I mean, i-new generation, iy'ngane ezino-20 bafethu ezino-16, 17 azimazi uSteve Lekoli, yithi esimaziyo. Futhi nami I saw him, I think last 4 years of i-career yakhe because of, I think it was 2005 la bengizwa ngaye iy'ndaba zakhe zaku-Orlando Pirates nanokuthi unenkinga ne-Orlando Pirates and then wahamba ku-Orlando Pirates. Waziwa nge-Orlando Pirates kuphela, ama-team ahambile ayowadlalela after Orlando Pirates ayikho into e-memorable ayenzile kulawo ma-team lawo. Kufana no-Junior Khanye, bakwazile ukudlala ko-United FC, but guess what? Bakhunjulwa nge-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, ukhunjulwa nge-big team oyidlalelile kuphela, hhayi enye team. So asiqhubeke nge-statement sakhe lana. Uthi-ke uthi yena akaphili njenge-celebrity, uthi-ke uthi akumelanga futhi arane away from i-crime. Uthi-ke as it is at the moment, uthi uprotecthe yena yigebengu noma ngithi otsotsi, uthi namaphoyisa, uthi ngidlalela i-Orlando Pirates, ama-fans every corner in every workplace bayangithanda, so even namaphoyisa notsotsi bayangiprotecta. So uthi-ke uyafila noma ahamba estradini ukuthi yena u-safe. Uthi-ke akathatheli abantu phansi because of ulo muntu lo awuye, because of abantu, that is why abantu bemthanda. I-statement sakhe, well, abantu I think bayamthanda abantu, yes, but-ke uma umbheka, uma ingamaleni uSteve Lekoli simbheke bafethu, uyambona ukuthi i-state sakhe asikho right, to be fair. But-ke manje is getting something, bayambiza emagemini bathole mhlampe leyo madlana, ama-1,000 ambalwa kulamagemu ama-legends, but-ke uma umbheka akekho right bafowethu. Uma umbheka physical shape uyambona ukuthi akekho right, because lo muntu lo una-46 if angilenzi iphutha, just only 46 years old. Kusho ukuthi ulanda i-50, but-ke uma umbheka i-shape yakhe uyabona ukuthi is not okay. But-ke yena is still riding high on that thing. Kubuye asho ukuthi, angisho ukuthi asho iy'nkinga zakhe kubantu, no, but-ke uzubize nange-celebrity, wagcina ukuba famous ngempela ngo-2005, that time udlalela i-Orlando Pirates, because of abantu they love i-team than i-player. So once i-association yakho naleyo team leyo iphela, kuphelile ngawe with ama-fans, because ama-fans they follow i-team, they don't follow i-player, impilo ye-player. It's very rare South Africa sibe ne-superstar bafowethu elilandelwa even after selihambile ethimini. Abantu bathandwa ngoba ba-associated nama-team. When I was working with ama-players enza amaphutha and then kuphela ngabo ama-player amaningi, I realized something ukuthi they only love them because of i-team kuphela. Manje akekho umuntu onendaba nalowo ma-player lawo cause of abasekho emathimini. I-team yohlezi khona, but i-player you get 10 years, sometimes you only get like 5 years nje kuphela yokuthi ube ku-professional setup. Kuya ngawe ukuthi and then kuya ngawe ukuthi uyadeliver or awudelivi, and what do you really want in terms of like achieving success, izinto ezinjalo. But angifisela inhlanhla mina ulokhunjana Steven, is it Steven or, but besimbiza uSteve thina, Steve Lekoli. Umfisela inhlanhla ukuthi abe right, aqhubeke athole imisebenzi lese kuboma-Betway, bambiza analyze izinto, akwazi ukuvuka naye abe umuntu, akwazi ukuphila, because into ebalulekile kakhulu ukuphila. Ngizoyivala la ngo-Cheslet because of le ndaba beyingo-Cheslet, ubani, Cheslet Morrison. uChesleti maningi amathimba wamfuna bafowethu, but-ke yena umathimba wase-overseas uthe no, yena ufuna ukubuyela ekhaya, which is i-South Africa, aye laphana ukuyodlala eThekwini bafowethu. Udlala amameshi awu-242 namagoli ayi-40. Is expected ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs a-add something, but we'll see. So I mean, for the couple of seasons siyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyastruggle laphana up front, but-ke with oCheslet, I think nabo Lebo Hang Maboy, even nalaphana phambili aboMayo, different competitions laphana phambili, uyabona ukuthi nawe this season ngeke kudlala, competition i-tough kakhulu. iKaizer Chiefs iyawathola ama-results at the moment, so ama-player amaningi azolo laphana for i-base, for ikhala, ukuthi akwazi ukusiza iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ithole ama-results kangcono. uCheslet-ke njengoba imagine uthena ama-offers down from overseas bafowethu, uthe akafuna ukudlalela ama-teams a-overseas, ufuna ukuza yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ama-teams are different, not just i-team eyodwa rawuthi ama-team a-different. Beka-attracta i-interest, cabanga i-Motherwell yase-Scotland bafowethu idlala laphana nabo-Celtics, Celtic yes, nabo-Rangers, i-Motherwell beyimfuna, nama-team afana no-Wigan, but-ke yena uthe no, ngifuna ukuza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, only for yena azithole kule situation le akuyo ne-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi akakadlali negame eyodwa. And then lokho kwenzani in terms of ukuthi maybe espacing sakhe laphana ukuthi imanini lento lena why ngikhohle, i-market value yakhe ukuthi iyehla noma iyakhuphuka noma iyama, cause of the next team azoya kuyo bazobheka lezo zinto lezo ukuthi ku-previous team bedlala or bekangadlali. Mfundo Vilakazi, oh yeah, no, before ngikhohlwa, I wanna ngikhuluma nge-player bedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uSekgotha, siyamkhumbula uSekgotha bafethu, bedlala laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs. I think he was kuBafana bake bamselect-a a few times. USekgotha istori sakhe, waya overseas, wafika wadlala, waya nase-Portugal wadlala, mebuya waya ku-Wits, then i-Kaizer Chiefs angisakhumbuli ukuthi yamsayina ku-Moroka Swallows or ku-Wits, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina and then wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sephila iphupho lakhe-ke, but waba namaphutha amaningi bafowethu, amaphutha okungaphathi kahle laphana. Okay, nami khona izinto engizaziyo engeke ngizimenshine la, cause of, I mean, at the end of the day umuntu manje uye rehab ukuthi azame ukulungisa impilo yakhe bafowethu, abuye. Baningi abantu abamzamile, ama-team amzamile bafowethu ukuthi, cause ku-Kaizer Chiefs, it was 2023 la adlala khona, udlala ama-match bamsayine, ufike 2023 or 2022 lapho udlala ama-match awu-48. So u-Kaizer Chiefs babe-patient ngaye le winger leli ukuthi bamxolele kwezinye izinto, cause khona izinto thina besizazi ukusho ukuthi yena ukuwuphatha kwakhe, but-ke baloke bamnika ama-opportunities. Ekugcineni i-Kaizer Chiefs yathi no, akahambe, wahamba, but-ke u-struggle-le ngendaba, ngiyakusho lokhu-ke because of nala kuma-publications bakubhalile ngotshwala, ukuthi uphuza kakhulu nezinye izinto ababalayo, bakhuluma ngensangu, izinto ezinjalo, kusho ukuthi nokunye asazi, okunye ngeke siku-mention-e cause asimoshi igama lomuntu la. But-ke inkinga yakhe iyokuthi ama-substance abuse, izinto ezinjalo, bamthatha laphana ePolokwane waya ku-Hope of Achievers, ku-rehab center. Wahlala 4 months khona ukuthi azame Nkosi yami ukushintsha impilo yakhe ukuthi abuye ku-professional setup. So simbonile-ke sekadlala nakumakasi football manje ebhuqwini eDustini bafowethu. Even naku-SAFA, Limpopo ABC ukhona, ngathi bayazama ngempela, ufuna uku-rebuild i-career yakhe ukuthi abuye laphana esicongweni, but isikhathi esiningi ku-P_S_L bakunika i-opportunity, but uma ungayisebenzisi i-opportunity, unfortunately iyanyamalala. Ukhulume ne-far post ukuthi bekumele aye laphana ayo-reset-a, uthi ifamily yakhe nomuntu wakhe laphana bamsapotile, yibo abantu bekabadinga the most. Uthi-ke ufundile from ama-challenges wakhe, uthi-ke yena uzozama ngempela ukusebenza kanzima, and asebenze kanzima for yena nomndeni wakhe. Yeah, eish bafethu, yeah, ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Stellenbosch, even neMagesi laphana ku-Betway Premiership, but-ke I think baningi abantu abangafunda from i-lesson like istori sakhe uSekgotha, ukuthi cabanga you on top, udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, udlale e-Europe, yeah, ukuthi uzithole kule situation le. But-ke yena uyakhuluma ukuthi fully recovered, ubuyile, and uyabhiliva ukuthi abanye abadlali abaningi bafethu abancane bazothatha i-example from lento le yakhe, i-situation yakhe, ukuthi-ke if unama-challenges-ke empilweni kumele uwa-face and ukwazi, let's say ukuwabhitha, cause you face your struggles fine, but-ke it's how you react kulawo ma-struggles la owa-face-ayo, ukuthi okay u-react-a kanjani izinto mezingahambi according to wena, and then u-react-a kanjani as umuntu, cause at the end of the day you have to come back. If like cause abanye abantu they would just choose mhlawumpe ukuwubulala ukuthi hey bengiku-Kaizer Chiefs, bengikuphi but manje impilo yami ayisahambi kahle, but nangu uSekgotha uyasibonisa bafethu ukuthi it's not over until the fat lady sings. So yeah, good thing for yena umfana, ngimfisela inhlanhla ukuthi abuye back like he never left. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. By the way, we are close, close. Ngicela ngithatha le opportunity lena ngithi thank you kuwo wonke umuntu olayikhayo, okhomentayo, osubscribe-ayo, everyone oyi-involve kule page leli, and make sure bafowethu ukuthi le page leli liyakhula, and as creator i-platform independent yethu bafowethu, la sinama-independent voices, sizame ngempela uku-create-ela izinto zethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike, subscribe futhi, danko.